Plugged in a pen drive on your Google TV and nothing happens? That often happens because the drive's file system or format isn't supported, or the USB port or hub you're using isn't supplying enough power. Let's go through how to fix it. Solution 1. Check the input. From your Google TV home menu, use your TV remote to go to the settings. Choose device preferences or system from here depending on your OS version. Now find the option called storage. Open it. If you have the flash drive inserted to your TV, you will see it on your TV storage menu with its name. Click on it with your remote and your TV should recognize it now. After that, you can press the media button on your TV remote and access your pen drive files. If this process doesn't work, try the other solutions. Solution 2. Try a simple restart. Unplug the pen drive or hub from the Google TV. Then unplug your TV as well. Wait for a few seconds and then turn the TV back on and plug back the pen drive. You can also try plugging the pen drive in a different USB port of your TV to rule out port issues. Solution 3. Turn off developer options. On some rare occasions, many people enable the developer options on their TV. This can cause the setting to not show a USB drive. To fix this, use this TV remote to go to the settings. Choose device preference or system from here depending on your OS version. Now scroll down to developer options. Turn this off. After that, restart your TV and try to check your issue again. Solution 4. Format the SD card. Try plugging the pen drive into the PC to verify it works and isn't damaged. If it shows up, then format it. To format it, find the USB pen drive on your PC File Explorer. Right-click on it, then select Format. But before doing this, back up any files on it, as formatting will erase everything. Format the drive to FAT32 or XFAT, since most Google TV/Android TV devices support these. After you're finished formatting, remove it from the PC. Then plug it back on into your Google TV and see if it's recognized. Hopefully this is going to fix your problem. If it's still not working, it might be a bug or compatibility issue with your specific device model. Anyway, that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and thanks a lot for watching.